Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedro. As you guys know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. So guys, today I've come with another wonderful strategy for trading step index. You see, this strategy really works on step index and 5-minute time frames. So now I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy, and also I want you to watch this video to the end for you to understand the rules and the guides that guide this video and how to trade it successfully in step index 5 minutes. So guys, let me show you the settings of this strategy. The first settings that you have in this strategy is your main chart, whereby you are having your moving average. The first moving average is in the period of 10, the shift of 0. We have methods to be simple, we have apply to close, and we have our style in red color. Then you press on done. Then you move to the second moving average, which is the period of 1. We have the shift of 0, we have the method to be simple, we have apply to close, and we have our style in blue color. Then you press on done. Now let's move to the indicator window 1, whereby we have the stochastic oscillator. And in our oscillator we have the K period of 60, we have the T period of 1, we have the slowing of 1, and we have our price feed to be close and close. We have our method to be exponential, we have our style to be in these two colors, and you can set up your level according to this, whereby our 50 is going to be our take profit, so you will always take your profit on that 50 level. So we have the level of 0, 10, we have 100, and we have 90 and 50. So when you do that, then you press on done here, and you'll have the last moving average in the window 1, which are moving average of period of 10. We have the shift of 0, we have methods to be exponential, and we have apply to close, and we have our red as a color here. Then you press on done. So by doing this, you will have this same strategy on your phone like this. But let me tell you, this strategy only works for step index, and it only works on 5-minute time frames. And I'm using the second zoom level. You know, the last zoom level is going to be a very tiny trade for you like this, and we have the second zoom level to be like this. Let me show you guys so that you can see it. So we have the second zoom level to show up like this. Okay, you see, that's the first one. The second one is this. So you can use the first one and the second one. So now, what are the rules and the guide for you to trade this successfully? So as we know that this is our moving average, which is the red line we see here, and we have the oscillator 9, which is the blue line that we see here. So we are going to be checking out the two level that is very important here, which is the level of 10, and we are going to be checking out our 50 level, which is going to be our take profits, and we are going to be taking up our 90 level, which is going to be our second taking profit. So guys, so today now, so what you are going to be looking at is when your moving average is reaching your 10 level, and there you also need to wait for your oscillator 9 to meet up at that same point. You see, at that same point. So once these two moving average and the oscillator cross each other in the indicator window 1, this is the right time for you to enter the market, and it's going to be on 10 level. It's going to be on the level 10, and that is the first confirmation you have to take note. And the second confirmation you need to take note is also check this particular area, which is going to be on your main charts. You are going to be having the two moving average crossing each other at that level also. So when these two is respect each other, when these two is accurate to that 9, then you can easily take up your trade, and you keep on enter your trade till you have your moving average at the 50 level, and you exit your market at this level. So you set up your stop loss at this area, and you take your profits at this area. So guys, you see how it's working. You see the market currently now respect that level. So let me show you more sample of what I mean by that. You see, it also respects it from this level. You need to wait for that moving average, which is the red line, and the oscillator line to meet on that 10 level. When they meet on the 10 level, then you need to wait for it also to meet at this level. And once it meets, then you keep on taking your trade until you have your moving average reaching the 50 level. At this level, that will be your taking profit. You see, our moving average at this level now, let me show you the taking profit now level now is going to be around this area. It's going to be this area. You see that it's going to be this area. So you are going to enter your trade from this level. You come down a little bit and keep on an uptrend. You see that? So it works on better on 5-minute time frames. You see that its market respect that level very well. You see same thing also happen here. We have another entry here. You see, you have to wait for the moving average to reach that 10 level, and then you have to wait for the oscillator 9, which is the blue 9 here, to meet it at this point. You see, they meet each other at this point, and when they meet each other at this point, another thing that you need to wait for is to wait for this first moving average and the red moving average and the blue moving average to cross each other here, and then you can enter the market and keep on taking up the trade until you have your red 9 on your 50 level, which is going to be our taking profit. So guys, let me show you another sample that you need to know. I've already shown you the setting. You see the same thing happen here, the same thing happen here, the same thing happen here. What you just need to do is to wait for the moving average to reach the 10 level, and you need to let the oscillator to reach that same point. And once it's reached that same point, then you wait for your confirmation at this point, which your moving average, the two moving average is going to cross each other. Then you start enter your trade and you catch up your trade until you have your red 9 on the 50 level. Then you exit your market, you set up your stop loss, and you are out of the market. So with this, it can really help your daily trade every time. You see now, it respect the market respect those level time to time. You see same thing happen here. So it happen in the market, it happen until you have your red 9 on the 50 level at this area. Then you take your profit. You see now, you can easily grow up your small accounts into bigger accounts. Most especially for the beginners, you can easily use this strategy to understand how step index really works. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. You can also comment and like on this video, share us your experience using different strategy on this channel, and also we are going to be dropping another wonderful strategy for you guys soon. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks.